In this video, I'm going to show you how I earned my first $128.13 affiliate commission from ClickBank step by step. Hi, Herbert Flores here from herbertflores.net. I'm an online marketer. This channel is all about online marketing, how to make money online, plus I do product review videos. My goal is to help you to have a profitable online business. If you love those content, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so I can notify you on my next video. And also don't forget to check all the links below on the description. So today, I would like to share to you the strategy that I did on how I earned $128.13 from ClickBank that you can apply on promoting affiliate offers or on your business. So if you're interested, then let's get started. Okay, first, let me give you the overview of the marketing system that I did on how I earn commission on ClickBank, especially with the product that I promoted. First step is we need to go to the JB page of the product. Then secondly, you need to apply as affiliate. You need to sign up also on ClickBank, or if you already have a ClickBank account, much better. Then third is we need to create a review video. If you can create a video, you can also download the review video provided at the JB page. Then after that, you can also add bonuses on your offer so that you can give more value on your potential customer. The more value, the more money you can make. Then after that, you need to create a bonus page. This is a one-page website wherein your review video and also the details about the products plus the bonuses that you are giving away to your customer. Then after that, you need to generate a traffic. So you can use free traffic like social media, or if you have an email list, or you can also optimize your video on YouTube. Then after that, you can get a profit when they buy your affiliate offer. So that's how the system works. Okay, so now you need to go first on the JB page of the product that we will promote. So go to bit.ly/presenterjv. So the specific product that we will promote is presenter, wherein you can earn 60% on this product. All you need is to sign up to promote presenter by putting your name, your email address, your ClickBank ID, and also your social profile. If you don't have the ClickBank ID, all you need is to click on sign up here now, okay? Below the ClickBank ID box, okay? Just click that sign up here now, then it will open on a new tab. So after that, you need to sign up for free on ClickBank. Okay, by entering your country, your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your email address, then your password. Then after that, just click on continue to terms and condition and click on join ClickBank. Then after that, you need to check your email inbox for confirmation of your account. Then you can log in and create your ClickBank ID. Once you already have your ClickBank ID, just go back on the JB page of presenter and fill up the form with your name, with your email address, plus your ClickBank ID that you created and your social media profile. Okay? Then click on register to promote. So after that, just click here to get your affiliate link. Then after that, you need to scroll down the page until you reach the form wherein you need to add your ClickBank ID so that you can generate your affiliate link to promote this product. For example, my username is herbs888. Then click on generate. Then after that, you can now copy your affiliate link and save it on a notepad, or you can open Google Docs, okay? Paste your affiliate URL. Then you can also shorten your affiliate link by using bit.ly. All you need is to sign up for free. Then after that, you need to log in and click on create. Then enter your long URL and click on create button. So after that, you can now customize the half of your link. Let's say presenter link. Then click on save. So after that, your link now is edited and you can now copy that and you can save it on your Google Docs. Okay, so now we already have our shortened URL. Our next step is to create a review video. So you can create your own video or you can download the review video on the JB page. You just scroll down the JB page so you can get the presenter demo video. So you can download this and you can use it. You can add the intro or outro, or you can download the ready-made product review video for your YouTube. So just click on download. So once you download this video, you need to edit this, okay? So don't upload exactly this kind of video because there's a lot of affiliate who are using this video. So you need to edit it. So by using a video editing software. So now we will use this Canva and it's free. You can sign up for free. All you need is to upload a video. So this video is too long. So for the sake of the demo, I will not upload the whole video. So I will upload a short video so that you can get the idea on how to edit a video. So once you uploaded the video, all you need is to make this video on this canvas. On this Canva, okay? Split the video and then click on add page. Then you can search on video outro. Okay, so example this one. Then after that, you can also add your URL on this video, okay? So example access here. So just copy your shortened URL. Copy this one and go back here and then paste here. So that's it. Then after that, you need to save this. Example presenter review and bonus. Then after that, click on share and click on download. Then click on download, okay? So after that, you already have your video. Your next step is to go to YouTube. So create a channel on YouTube. So once you already have your channel, you just click on this small camera, this plus, then click on upload video. Okay, just select the video that you created. Okay, this is just an example, okay, so but I will not totally upload the video. Just want to show you the process on how to upload a video plus on how to optimize your video. So just put a title here. So example presenter. Okay, so just add the title. Then you can also add again your title here on the first line. Example, this video is all about presenter. Then just put your affiliate URL here, the shortened URL. So just copy on your Google Docs. So this one. So copy that and put on the second line. Then put a click here to learn more about presenter with my exclusive bonuses. Then add also some keywords on your description. So example, presenter review, presenter demo, and also you can add the description so you can get some articles on this JB page. So just click on swipes or scroll down this page, copy this swipe, so you can select one or there are some article here, article review. Okay, so just copy this article, then add this on your description. Okay, so now we already have the description. The next step is to add a thumbnail, okay? So you can create a thumbnail on Canva, or you can also go right here on the banner. Okay, so example this one, minimize our screen, then so this one. So we can screenshot this, then go to paint, then you can paste the image, and then you can now crop the image. Then you can save it and you can use this as a thumbnail. Then after that, go back here again, then upload the thumbnail, okay? Or you can select here a thumbnail if you want, okay? For example, this one. Or if you want a good thumbnail, so you can use again Canva. Then go here on the template, then just use the search thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, okay? For example, this one. Okay, so you can edit, then you can upload the image that we screenshot, and we will add this. So you can customize the background. Okay, so you can edit and add this. Then download this thumbnail. So just click on download, file, so JPEG, then select the page. So just select this page 3, then click done and click download. Then go back on your YouTube channel, then upload a thumbnail. Then after that, you can create a playlist if you want. Example, product review videos. Then after that, so no, it's not made for kids. Then on the tags, so you can add some keywords. For example, presenter demo, or you can use some plugin like a BuildIQ. Just click on next, then click on next. Then after that, click on next. Then you can click on select on public and set it on instant premiere. Then click on publish. Okay, so your next step is by adding bonuses on your offer. So these bonuses will increase your conversion. So with this presenter, they already have some bonuses that you can use. You just go on the JB page. For example, this one, the exclusive bonus 1, exclusive bonus 2, exclusive bonus 3. Or if you want add more bonuses, so you can go on this website, okay? So you can get some bonuses like PLR products from plrdatabase.net. There are some free PLR here that you can download and you can use to sell or to add as bonuses on your affiliate offer. Or if you want, you can also buy some white label softwares like this one, this Minute Stock. So you can get a 8 world-class software that you can give it away as a bonus on your affiliate offer. So once you already have the bonuses, so just prepare those bonuses. You can upload on Mediafire on your server or on Google Drive. Then after that, you can create again a Google Docs, a separate Google Docs, and all those download link for your bonuses. You can add all your download links for your bonuses on a separate page of Google Docs, okay? Alright, so the last step is by creating your bonus page. In this part, so I can give you two options that you can use as a bonus page. The option number 1 is by using Leadslift, okay? You can go on this link so that I can give you this share code and use it on creating bonus page on any affiliate offer. You can edit this one and you can add your bonuses and then use the bonus page on promoting it on your social media or on YouTube or anywhere you want to share your affiliate offer, okay? You don't need to use your affiliate link from ClickBank or from any other affiliate program. Just use the bonus page and drive traffic on this bonus page, okay? So you can customize this bonus page. Then the second option is by using Affiliate Maximizer. To get this Affiliate Maximizer, all you need is to go on this link, then buy it. So I guess this software is only cost you below $20, okay? Then you can create 50 bonus pages. So now I will log in on my account so that I can show you how easy to create a bonus page. Okay, on the dashboard, so you can now add your product name. So example, presenter. Then your affiliate link. So you can add also your shortened URL. Okay, so we will copy this one. Then we will add here. So you can upload the logo of the product. So you can also get all the images on the JB page of the product that we want to promote. So just upload or click on this link. So let's go back here. Then let's copy the logo, copy the image address, then go back here and paste on this. Then upload an image of the product. So you can also click the link, then go back here. Then you can copy the image of the product. Okay, so this one, just right click, then copy the image address and go back here, then paste here, and then you can upload the headline if you want. So let's upload the image that we screenshot, example this one. Then you can add your email address here, then your full name, and then you can choose your image. Then after that you can get product description on the JB page, example this one. Then paste here. Then you can copy on the swipe. So example here. So just copy this description. Just copy and go back here. Then you can add more description. Then copy. Then add here. Then you can now add your YouTube URL. So let's go back here. You can copy this video link here, okay? And after that, you can rebrand here if you want. Then you can add bonus images if you want, or you can just add the text. So example, bonus number 1 is the 10 slides. Then what's the value? Example, just 200. Bonus number 2, coupon code. So this is just an example, okay? So if you have the PLR, just put the name of the PLR product, then put here. Then the bonus product number 3, example, training course. Then add the value. Then after that, you can also add some product bullet points. So example, this is 100% beginner friendly and unique software. So you can get 30-day money back guaranteed. Then below here, after that, you can now save and preview your bonus page. Okay. So now we have a beautiful bonus page. So you can also customize it if you want. So you can change the background. Example this, it will change the background, okay? Then also the arrow, so you can add the arrow and you can change it. Then the button here, you can also change the button. Okay, then after that, the text, the color of the text, so you can also edit that. Okay, so now you can preview this page. Okay, now we already have our bonus page. Okay, so we have a problem on this video. So now we can customize it by clicking this click on back. Okay, so we need to use this link. Okay, then you can rebrand your YouTube. Yes. You can add the custom thumbnail if you want. Then after that, you can now save and preview again this page. Okay. Oh, you need to provide again the logo. So we need to go back again here. Just copy the link, the copy image address. Then, okay, just select this one. It's already here. So we need to upload. Okay. So that's it. Then after that, we can now save and preview the page. Okay, so now we already have a nice and good looking bonus page. So we can preview it again. Let's check the video. Then let's check this button. If this button will go directly on our affiliate URL. Okay, great. So the username of our ClickBank is here. It will credit to us. I'll close this one and go back here on the affiliate maximizer on these created pages. Okay, so that's it. So now this is the page that we created. Okay, this at the top. So just copy this URL, then go back here again on the bit.ly and customize it again. Because the link is so long, all you need is to paste here and shorten again this link. Then let's rename it again. Example, get your presenter. Then click on save. And that's it. Now this is the link that we need to promote and we need to drive traffic. Okay, so just go back on the Google Docs again on your affiliate resources and then you can save your bonus page here, okay? So that if ever you forgot the link, okay, all your links are saved on your Google Docs, okay? Now let's go back here. Okay, so now you can now drive traffic on this bonus page. So you can use social media if you have some friends that are involved in network marketing with affiliate marketing. Just ask them, can you check this product? Then can you give me a feedback? Okay. So one of my friend buy this product, just asking him on what his feedback about this product. Then after that, he saw the bonuses and he purchased this product to me. Okay. Then the other one, because I got two front end sale and also the upgrade product. Okay. The other traffic resources that I am using are these three. So you can visit this bit.ly/3 traffic source. So these are the three traffic sources that I am using on promoting my affiliate offer. Okay, you can use Leadsleaf. So you can create a free account and set up 3 credit ads. If you want to get 10 link, so you can promote 10 website. So you need to be a pro member. Okay, so I am using a pro member. That's why I'm getting a lot of traffic on my affiliate offers or even my other website. Or use this My Lead Gen secret, so you can get 100 high quality leads daily. So that's 3,000 leads a month. It has a built-in email broadcaster. Okay, all you need is to email those leads or the traffic for you. You can get 1,000 visitors to any website, any affiliate offer or client website. So you can access this if you want to use my three traffic sources that works. So that's all for now. If you have some question, just leave a comment below. If you learned something with this video, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.